Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, this is perfect timing because this is after the holidays and maybe you got a new iPhone 12 and you're probably wondering what's the best power solution for those since they don't come with a power brick anymore. So we got some goodies here from our good friends Aukey. We have an 18 watt charger here and we have a 90 watt 3-port charger and we also have their 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Now, I'm excited to open these up because as time goes on, I'm getting more devices and I'm needing things to charge them with. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go ahead and unbox these and check them out. All right, guys. All right, you guys, the first one we're gonna open up is right here. And this is the Aukey Minima 18 watt. And it's got power delivery 3.0 with the Minima chip inside. So that's pretty dope. Also, this will give you up to 50% in 30 minutes with your iPhone 12. That's something crazy. I think it's like 3 times faster than the old charger, but that's pretty insane. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what this thing looks like. So cute and small. But this is also great, you know, it doesn't take up a lot of space when you go to use it. Also, if you're gonna travel, you know what I mean, and take something with you, well, once we all start traveling again, yeah, definitely a space saver, right? Look at that. It's almost the size as the regular charger. Let me see if I can get the regular one. All right, so I got the regular Apple one here and look at that. It's only a little bit bigger, but 3 times faster. And that is USB-C. And then look, just folds out and you're good to go. You know, let's go ahead and plug it in and try it out really quick. Okay, got it all plugged in. And now that I think about it, I should get one of those Aukey power strip towers. Yeah, maybe that'll be next. Okay. Go ahead and plug in my iPhone here via the USB-C cable, and how cool is that? 3 times faster, and it's only a little bit bigger than the one that it used to come with, and now it doesn't even come with one. That's crazy. I'll definitely be using this. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the 90 watt. All right, so this is the 90 watt here. This has the built-in Omnia chip, you know, the world famous charging technology, quick charge, power delivery, dynamic detect. I mean, that's awesome. 90 watt, that is super, super fast. That's a lot of power, you guys. 50% smaller than Apple's 87 watt charger, I believe. And this also has built-in foldable prongs. Okay, got a white one here, and that's nice. It's like a nice matte white, right? Look at that, nice built-in, compact, and you have your 3 ports here, 2 USB-C and 1 USB 3.0 up there. All right, let's go ahead and plug it in, see what that looks like. All right, so USB-C, plug that in here. As you can see, it's charging, and now we're rocking and rolling. How cool is that, right? Now this also has a white subtle light that you can see right there. It's very, very subtle. It's not bright or distracting or annoying at all, but yeah, I like it. I love the matte white too. Looks good. Just so you can see side by side, here is the black and there is the white. All right, now let's go ahead and open up this 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Okay, so here we have the Aukey Air Core. This is 3-in-1 wireless charging station. And yeah, I believe this does 3.0, 7.5 fast charging for iPhones and 10 watts wireless charging for Android phones. And you can wirelessly charge a smartphone, AirPods, and an Apple Watch simultaneously. What? See what we got here. This is also a great solution. Apple, they canceled their Air Power or whatever it was they were supposed to come out with and never did. So, yeah. Oops. Let's take this piece out. What we got here. Okay, there's our main cord. charging station, that piece, and that piece. And let's go ahead and assemble this all. So yeah, looks like that will just go here and snap into place. We have our USB-C to USB cable. And I'll just plug it into this. Why not? And on the back side, it shows how to route the cables through if you want to go ahead and do that. And on the backhand side, you'll go ahead and wind up the excess wire from the Apple Watch charger, and it plugs in right there. All right, there we go, and this is just held on by magnets. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, now that it's all set up, let's go ahead and test it out. I'll put my iPhone 12 here. And yeah, as you can see in the upper right, it is charging. And yeah, I'll put my AirPods Pro right here. You see the little light went green, so you know that's charging. And yeah, let's put my Apple Watch on there. And there we go. Talk about consolidation, right? So now instead of having 3 different cords and 3 different chargers for 3 different devices, right? You have it all and you're only taking up 1 space on the wall when you go to plug it in. Talk about consolidation, you know, so if you're traveling or you're staying at a relative's house and you're like, oh, I got to bring 3 different cables, you don't have to do that. It's all in one. This is also great for a nightstand, or it's great for a gift for someone else. But yeah, I love consolidation and not having a lot of wires or taking up a lot of outlets on one wall. All right, you guys, so if I'm not mistaken, this one here is compatible with just about every single device you can think of. The 90 watt is compatible with almost every device you could think of, but I doubt it you'll run into any issues with anything here. And this 3-in-1 charger here, iPhone 8 and later, Samsung Note 8 or Samsung S8 and later, and you're good to go. Anything below those, it's not gonna work with the 3-in-1 charger. You guys, $10. $10. $49.99 for that beast, and then for the 3-in-1, guess what? It's like 29 bucks. I think it's like $28.99 or something like that for this. And talk about value, right? You get all of that for 28 bucks. But yeah, these are absolutely great for your new iPhone 12 or whatever device you have. And yeah, I can't wait to set this up next to the nightstand. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to show what I'm using, what's great for your new iPhone 12 this year. And you guys stay safe. All right, guys. Laters.
Mm-hmm.